thank you very much for coming to the opening of the Deck 747. We really appreciate it. It's been a long, hard 6 weeks, especially for the few of us who have tried to transform this. Watch out for updates on our social media as well. So the flight sim should be open in the next couple of months for some taster sessions, and also from an events perspective. So we're going to be opening up this side for weddings, conferences, all that type of thing. So do spread the word and follow our social media and our website. Thanks again for coming, and I hope you really enjoy your day.
BA, obviously the BA 747 is such an iconic aircraft anyway, and as part of the British Airways fleet, it's obviously been going for a very, very long time, so it's absolutely amazing that you've invited me to come up and help me to open this. Video coming out next week of me actually racing this thing up here, so Drew's got it playing as a sneak preview over there, so yeah, it's been just amazing to be a part of it, and it's great that you've been able to get this 747 to the point where people can start enjoying it again, and it's actually still serving the community like it has done for so many years. So yeah, do you want me to cut the ribbon?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, therefore we formally declare it open, I guess.